Bit of a rainstorm last night. Bit of water in the boat. First dead baiting session of the season. Let's go. Yep, that's all the rainwater from last night. That's when you leave the cover off the boat because you don't think there's going to be any rain. And it turns out there's quite a lot of rain. So yeah, good idea to get this all out of the boat before making the journey down. A lot of extra weight. Yeah, so you wait until normally what happens up here is they'll tick it, yes, and then they'll run, and then they'll stop and they'll turn the bait, and then that's him away. That's the second run now. So you need to keep winding really hard here, Keith, because he's coming towards us. So he could actually be a lot closer than you think because you're fishing at 20 foot of depth. So start winding there, and as soon as it goes tight, you strike it. Keep winding, keep winding, keep winding, keep winding, keep winding, keep winding. There's loads and loads of slack line. Keep going quicker, 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 quicker. See how close he is in. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it. That's it. Good man. See, very easy lose that fish there. You know what I mean? He swum the whole way into the boat. Here, take that buddy down, grab the net. He's only a wee whittler.
Not a black anyway.
No. Long was that in the water?
Not isn't it?
Just don't rush him there. Just bear in mind that you have the anchor rope. I know he's only a wee fish, but he'll still take you around the anchor rope and make a mess. Just even see behind you, buddy. Seeing that tank? If you can grab me there's an unhooking mat. Yeah, just in that compartment there. Well done.
I'll be there.
That's it.
Well, we need to send Robert a photograph.
I just say 30 seconds in the water. So many did we lose the last day? I must have lost 6 or 8, wasn't it?
8, 4.
There we go. Literally 2 minutes in the water. Pollen dead bait. No blank. Only a wee one, but hopefully they'll get bigger. Well done. I tell you what, he took some run. This is a good fish. Right, ticky that net there for me. I might need to move these rods. Just keep your line tight though. See, whenever he's pulling line, just you do nothing. Just keep the line tight. Oh. Right, aye.
Keep your rod down.
No, that's it. Whenever he stops pulling, then you wind. Now the anchor's at the other side, so you're alright with the anchor. Yeah, it's a good fish. And don't rush it yet, don't rush it yet. Right. He's only lightly hooked. Go on ahead, go on ahead, go on ahead. Well done. 11-1.
11-1, there you are. First double.
Bigger than the...
Right, so sit you in my seat there. I'm going to get you to hold it and get on the camera. And I'll get my phone too. Get a proper picture. I'll take a share of mine and I'll send it to you.
That's alright, that's handy. Let get out of your roads.
Right, where's my phone? My phone's there. Sometimes the wee ones will take the big bait and play with it. That's out in the deep too. No, he's still there, that's good. Just keep your rod tipped down there, Keith.
I just seen it starting to rain.
That's good, because I was sitting thinking...
Full move, or could we go?
Aye. There you go. So that's the second run, see the way he's gone now. But just give him a wee minute, because as I said, it's a fair bait. So it's just, whenever it does go, Keith, just same rules apply, like wind down, but you need to keep winding until it's tight, and then a good heavy strike. Get ready to go here. So whenever that float goes under again, I want you to go, because that's the second run. No, it's sitting cocked up, you see. It shouldn't be, because it's over depth. So just whenever you're ready there, Keith, just wind down, because he's sitting with it in his mouth. Wind down hard. Keep winding, 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 keep winding. Keep going.
Nope.
Well done. You think he was sitting coming towards the boat. And he says? Now remember your anchor there. I know there's not much you can do, but if he wants to go that way now, let him go that way and try and bring him around the side of the boat.
Not too big.
Aye, but it's still a fish.
No, surprise you. Sometimes you don't think they're very big, and then they come to the boat and then take off. Give it a wee shake there and let the stopper come up through the ice. Yeah, give it in, I'll take it. Just now you can see. Oh, let's see with the glasses on. Give it a shake there. I thought he was making a beeline for the anchor there. He's not bad, eh? Stand you to the back there, Stephen, just so that even the side of it. Hard fighting fish in here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well done.